Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to install golang 1.19, that is Go programming language 1.19 on Oracle Linux 9 operating system. Okay, so first what I am going to do, I am going to show you how to configure Go 1.19 for a single user. So for current user I am going to show you how to configure golang. Okay, so let me go to the binaries directory. So this is Go 1.19 binaries for Linux. So let me extract the content. Okay, so this is extracted content. Let me move this Go directory to OPT directory. So you can also see that multiple versions of Go is available in the same box. You can install and configure multiple versions of Go in same machine. Okay, let me rename this extracted content to Go-1.19. Okay, so this is the directory structure of Go 1.19. So bin directory contains executable. So next up what I am going to do, I am going to configure the bin directory in the bash profile. That is, I am going to add the bin directory to the Linux path variable in bash profile. Okay, export path equal to $path :opt/go-1.19 bin directory. Okay, save the bash profile. Okay, now let us see whether Go 1.19 in terminal or not. So current user is Java Forum. Okay, source .bash underscore profile will load the latest settings in the bash profile. So Go version I can able to execute it. So Go 1.19 is available to the current user. Now let me run one Go program. So lot of programs I have written. Go run display factors.go. Okay, yes, I can able to run the program. So this display factors.go program will display the factor of the number. Okay, so factor of 100. Okay, so I can able to run the Go program as a current user. So current user can run the program, but the problem is there are many users available in this machine. Let me show you. So there are 2 users available in this machine. So currently Java FRM only can execute the Go 1.19 command. So user Ramanathan cannot execute the Go 1.19 programs because Go is not configured globally. So what I am going to do, I am going to delete this bash profile settings, save it, and I am going to configure the Go 1.19 available globally to all users whoever log into this machine. So log into the terminal, switch as a root user, cd/etc/profile.d. So I am going to /etc/profile.d directory. I am creating one shell script file called golang.sh. So I am pasting the deleted content here. So which means that I appended the Go 1.19 bin directory to the Linux path variable. So now what will happen? Whenever user log into this machine, this golang.sh will be called, and automatically environment variables for Go program will set automatically. Okay, whenever user log into this machine. Okay, now I am going to log off the current user called Java Forum. Okay, now I am going to log in as a user called Ramanathan. So now let me check whether Go is available globally or not. Yes, I can able to run the Go commands. So Golang 1.19 is available globally to all users in this machine. So let me confirm by running the display factors.go program. Yes, I can able to run the program. So golang 1.19 is available globally to all users. Let me confirm once again by logging off and logging once again as a user called Java Forum. Yes. So golang 1.19 installation on Oracle Linux 9 operating system is successful.